Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to just go over some little bits that I've collected over the past couple months, a mini haul. I bought a couple of skincare products and then the majority of it is makeup. Go figure. But yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start off with the skincare. It's only 3 products, so it's easy to get out of the way. One of the products I've most recently purchased is the Juice Beauty Sport sunscreen. It's SPF 30 sunscreen. It has zinc oxide 20%, which I believe is very good, so hurrah for that. And if you're not a big fan of the sunscreen smell, this doesn't smell like sunscreen in the least. It smells like a green smoothie. Yeah, I think that's the accurate description for me. If you like green smoothies, it smells delicious. It smells like a green smoothie to me. Possibly mowed grass. It smells like plants, guys. This smells like plants. And I think I do prefer it to like the sunscreen smell because I don't really like the way sunscreen smell. I mean, it doesn't bother me. They make me think of the beach, which is always great. Unless you burn like I do. Which is why sunscreen's handy. The next product I got is also sunscreen, but it's the Farmacy. I don't know why I still have it in the box. It is the Farmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It looks like this. I really like the packaging. It's nice and clean. I like the wooden top. This has titanium oxide and zinc oxide, which I prefer over the chemical-based sunscreen. I've read somewhere that's safer. Like certain ingredients aren't the best for you. So zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are always the best ones to look for in sunscreen. But yeah, this has a slight sunscreen scent to it. It doesn't really leave a white cast in my opinion either. I'm just gonna put some on my hand here. Put a dollop. But see that I haven't really tried this under makeup yet, so I couldn't really tell you. Yeah, it didn't really leave a white cast on my skin, which I have experienced. That's not really strong sunscreen scent either, but I definitely have been enjoying this. It doesn't feel greasy on my face when I wear it in the mornings on my way to work. I don't wear makeup to work, I'm too lazy. But yeah, so far I've been enjoying this. And my last skincare product is this new Frank Espresso kind of coffee scrub. I love Frank body. Like, it's like the best, one of the best body scrubs ever. Okay, and they smell delicious. If you're a big coffee fan, these are for you. You know. Yeah, I love the packaging. It's smaller than the normal packaging, but a little bit of this goes a long way actually. You don't need like a whole dollop of it on your hand to just get all over your body, but this one smells a lot sweeter than the other one. It smells like cake batter to me. I want to eat it. It smells so good. It doesn't even smell like coffee to me. It smells like cake batter. It's like a coffee cake that you have with your cake. I mean with your coffee. It's like, yeah, it smells like cake. The other ones you can get like peppermint. This chocolate one, I've tried every scent basically, but I think this one's my favorite. It's less messy. It's more like a cream, as I say, whipped for your convenience, because the other one will get all over your shower. Not that I mind. Let's get dirty with Frank, guys. Let's get dirty. Let's just go into the makeup portion. I bought myself the medium brown color in the new Kat Von D pomade. Haven't taken it out of the box. Brand spanking new. Need to try it. I mean, you can't see my brows anyways, right? Oh, by the way, guys, I got my hair cut. Look at it. And then I never get it blown dry. How do you say that right? I never get my hair blow dried, is what I was trying to say. This is the first time I let my hairstylist blow dry my hair. Bangs are a little too long right now, but that's because they're meant to be curly because I wear my hair curly all the time. But yeah, I'm loving this look. I need to like try this more often, but like I don't have the patience to do my own hair. I prefer it curly and messy and wild, just like I am, you know? Describes me perfectly. Anyways, enjoying the hair for what little time I have it because it's very humid in Florida. But yeah, I bought the pomade and the brush. The new Kat Von D brushes. I really should have unboxed all of this before I start the video. But you know, I didn't think that one through either, clearly. But here's the brush. It's all pretty and black. And I believe this ends all pointy. Or is that the other one? I can't remember. I feel like they made it like slim so you could like take some of the product out. I might be completely wrong. I might be thinking of something else. But yeah, love the packaging. Very nice. Can't wait to try that one out. It's very nicely tapered. I got that. I got the set of the unconventional nudes from Melt. Like the army green and just the weird nudes because it's just something, you know, I'd be into. Yeah, here are the 4 shades of the unconventional nudes. I love every single one. I can't wait to wear them. And I love the way Melt lipsticks smell. This is one of my favorite lipstick formula. Some people say it's a little too dry and it tugs on the lips, but for me, I'm fine. I can handle most matte formulas, and matte lipsticks is my favorite formula to wear. I don't like cream ones. I feel like they get all over the face and whatnot, you know. Yeah, I can't wait to wear those. And then lastly, I bought some stuff from Glossier. As you well very may know by this little bag, if you order from them often. I restocked myself on the boy brow. I missed it. It seriously is my favorite thing to wear. And I love Glossier because it's like perfect for me. The brand's perfect for me, you know? It's like that perfect kind of natural everyday makeup, and that's the kind of makeup I wear most of the time. I might pop on a bold lip, but for the majority of the time I'm not wearing foundation. I might wear concealer, which I do love the stretch concealer from Glossier. It's great. I love that one. Not full coverage, but I'm not looking for full coverage, especially on a natural day. Nope, definitely not. But here is the Glossier Boy Brow. I love how tiny the applicator is. It makes it really easy for me to get it on my brows because I have skinny brows. Not the thick, luscious, beautiful brows that some models nowadays have, or just people, normal people, can have luscious, beautiful brows too, and I don't have that. But definitely a favorite item right here. And then I finally got my hands on the Wowder. I love their simplicity, the simplicity in their packaging. But here's the Wowder. Makes me think of a comic book, which I love. I love comic books. Yeah, it's just a typical ooh, it has a stopper, guys. This is so wonderful. Cause I make a mess. I'm a messy person. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. You know, I've said in a previous video I was on the hunt for a good face powder to powder at least my under eyes and T-zone. But yeah, I can't wait to try this product out. I don't know if it's aimed more for drier skin types that have oily T-zone, but yeah, I'm still gonna try it anyways. And then lastly, but not leastly, I think it makes sense. Who cares? I got their new mascara, the Lash Slick. I'm sorry, but Glossier's marketing just gets me. I'm pretty sure they can convince me to buy anything. But yeah, can't wait to try all the makeup stuff. I basically tried all the skincare stuff because I mean, I can't not use Frank as soon as I buy him. You know, he is the best in the shower. Best. But yeah, guys, look, this is all the stuff I've accumulated over the past month or so. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I will be using the makeup stuff with it in the next couple of videos. Possibly before I put this one up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, bye!